This video is going to be my room makeover. It looks terrible because I ordered 2 closets from IKEA. This giant closet took me 3 days to build right here. And so I'm taking away this changing table. I don't need it anymore. We can turn it into maybe like a toy shelf for some plushies or something else for a different room. I'm going to take away some mismatched stuff. Before I didn't have this one. I only had this little wooden cabinet here. And this changing table. And one tiny shelf to put all of this stuff on. But now I'm going to try to make the room look better. She's having fun. She's taking stuff out. And I'm sorting through all of her clothes. So one is for dresses, pants, and shirts, and sweaters, and diapers, and movies, baby blankets. So I'm trying to get this place organized so it will look actually nice and everything will go together. See, mismatched wooden cabinet that I got at the garage sale. Baby changing table that I had for a long time. This tiny little shelf. That shelf. And so everything's coming off and we're refixing it. Tomorrow I'm going to work on the second closet. And I'm also going to try to clear out all of this clutter to make it more organized so that it's not like that. Because if not, how can I open the window if all the stuff is right there? So this is something you could do if you're really bored. Try to do a room makeover. Okay, everybody, look at my room is all done. Yes, look at this. I did my closets all by myself. I built them from IKEA. I look so organized now. My room looks really beautiful. And thanks for watching this makeover. My room was so cluttered before. It didn't look good. But now I have space for all of my art stuff. Because I'm an artist. I'm a chef. I'm a mom. I have a lot of things. See, I have a lot of space. These cabinets. I bought these dividers from IKEA. And look, these dividers will turn. These dividers inside the closet will give you even more space to store your stuff. Now, on another day, I will just go through each section, like all of this. I know I do not need all of that. I will organize that and take out what's trash or store my children's artwork in something else. Because this is too much clutter right here. And over here, I have, yes, like I was even able to store this little file cabinet. I thought I was going to toss it away, but it fit right inside. All of that. Oh, look, here's my baby side. See, I could put her dresses there. All of her shirts and her pants. Her baby blankets up there. She likes her new closet. Right, Valora? Smile. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it here?
Hey, me too.
Yeah, you just ate a rice. You're so messy. I'm going to give you a bath and give you a makeover. We'll put on a very beautiful dress for you, okay? Yeah. This is a picture frame. This is where I honor my dead family members and friend that passed away. Do you see what my baby did? She's so naughty. She took my picture down and scribbled all over the frame, so I have to buy a new frame and fix that up. This is just when I had the 3 babies before. I had my 4. And that's me when I was a mom. And I just had 2 kids. And that was my first daughter. There's Vincent there. And that's my first daughter, Helena. And my 2 brothers. I'm the oldest and I have 2 brothers. And here is just some wall art. You can see right there my baby's already trying to rip off those stickers. This one's really beautiful. It's just a big giant wall sticker that I ordered on eBay for like $3. It looks like a branch coming up. And there's something I made there. I have one of my pictures up on the wall. Thanks for watching my room makeover video. Did you do a makeover on any rooms in your house or declutter something because you were bored? Let us know. Bye!